Welcome to the amazing world of EYELED, the new generation of light experience based on LED technology. EYELED is the perfect accessory to enhance your home. The warm and luxurious light output provides a modern alternative to traditional candlelight. EYELEDs are also perfectly suited to professional and industrial situations. Think of emergency guide lights or night lights in hotel corridors, hospitals, cinemas, and factories. EYELED is a patented, easy-to-install LED light innovation. EYELED is easy to install in carpets, parquetry, and even tile. 3 LEDs are integrated into a housing with a negligible recess depth of only 6.5 millimeters. The solid construction is designed to withstand heavy use. Light-emitting diodes, generally known as LEDs, are semiconductor connections that transfer electrical power directly into light. EYELED is perfectly safe because of the low-voltage circuitry. You won't need to overhaul your home's electrical wiring. All you need is a single available standard outlet for the AC adapter.